Today's legal maxim is nemo est heires viventis, which means no one is heir of a living person. Under Article 777 of the New Civil Code, the rights to the succession are transmitted from the moment of death of the decedent. While a person is still alive, there can be no heir to his estate because ownership and rights remain with him. A prospective heir is merely an expectant heir. His right is contingent, not vested. Applications, wills, and donations. Even if a will is written, no one becomes an heir until the testator dies. If a donation mortis causa is executed, ownership also transfers only upon the death of the donor. Inheritance rights cannot be pre-sold. Example, if a son sells his share in his living father's estate, the sale is void since he is not yet an heir. No succession while alive. An expectant heir cannot file for partition of inheritance if the parent is still living. Consolidated Doctrines. Article 777 of the Civil Code provides the rights to the succession are transmitted from the moment of the death of the decedent. This doctrine ensures no premature heirship, no valid sale or partition of future inheritance, and compulsory heirs merely have an expectancy, not ownership. Article 1347 Civil Code provides all things which are not outside the commerce of men, including future things, may be the object of a contract. All rights which are not intransmissible may also be the object of contracts. No contract may be entered into upon future inheritance except in cases expressly authorized by law. All services which are not contrary to law, morals, good customs, public order, or public policy may likewise be the object of a contract. Article 1080 Civil Code. Should a person make partition of his estate by an act inter vivos or by will, such partition shall be respected insofar as it does not prejudice the legitime of the compulsory heirs. A parent who, in the interest of his or her family, desires to keep any agricultural, industrial, or manufacturing enterprise intact, may avail himself of the right granted him in this article by ordering that the legitime of the other children to whom the property is not assigned be paid in cash. Exception. Under the foregoing article, that is Article 1080 of the Civil Code, a partition inter vivos by the owner himself can be valid, provided that it does not prejudice the legitime of the compulsory heirs. However, ordinary sales or waivers to third parties are void if made before the death of the owner. Jurisprudence. Viuda di Caballo versus Spouses Renato Dolores Tabo, GR number 188417, September 24, 2012. In this case, the Supreme Court invalidated a conveyance premised on rights not yet transmissible, reiterating that future inheritance cannot be the object of contracts under Article 1347. Another case is Taniedo versus CA, GR number 104482, January 22, 1996. In this case, the Supreme Court declared that a 1962 sale of future inheritance was not a source of rights. In other words, it is void under Article 1347. After the decedent's death, later acts could be assessed under rules on double sales under Article 1544, but the pre-death sale remained void. Thank you. If you find this presentation helpful, please subscribe to receive notification of future lectures.